In today's video, I am going to teach you how to save a file as a PDF in Excel. This is a very useful feature when you want to share a spreadsheet in a format that is easy to open, print, and view on almost any device. Saving an Excel file as a PDF also helps preserve the layout of your worksheet, which is especially helpful if you do not want other people making changes to the original file. To begin, open your Excel file and look to the top left corner of the window. There, click File. This will open the main file menu, where Excel gives you options for saving, printing, sharing, and exporting your workbook. If you are new to Excel, this menu is where many of the most important file actions are located. Once you are in the File menu, look down the left-hand side and click Export. The Export section is specifically designed for creating other file formats from your Excel workbook. This is the area you will use when you want to turn your spreadsheet into something more shareable, such as a PDF. After clicking Export, you will see an option called Create PDF/XPS. Go ahead and click that button. This tells Excel that you want to create a PDF version of the file. In many cases, this is the fastest and most direct way to convert your spreadsheet without changing the original Excel document. A new window will then appear, asking where you want to save the file on your computer. Choose the folder or location that makes the most sense for you, such as your desktop or documents folder, so the file is easy to find later. You can also review the file name at this stage and make sure it is something clear and recognizable. Once you have selected the save location, click Publish. Excel will then create the PDF file and save it to the location you chose. Depending on your settings, the PDF may open automatically after it is created, so you can quickly check that everything looks the way you expect. That is all you need to do to save a file as a PDF in Excel. It is a simple process, and once you have done it a few times, it becomes very quick. That covers everything you need to know.